guys, this is Remy over from Baak, LA. He's the workshop manager, and right behind him we have the Triumph Bobber, and he wants to do a brief rundown. If you want to say anything to anyone right now.
Yeah, this is a 2021 Triumph Bobber, all spec'd out by us. We call it the Bobber Moon, and I will come into details of why we call it the Bobber Moon later.
Yeah, okay, so we're just going to go down a brief run through of the entire bike from front to back, and we'll show you what they did with it.
All right, from front to back, we start with a set of brand new wheels. They are not just covers over the stock wheels, they are actually brand new wheels, machined aluminum wheels, two parts wheels actually. You have the hubs and the rest of the solid rims, I guess. As I said, machined aluminum, and because they are powder coated that gloss black, depending on how the sun reflects into it, you can kind of see different things, and it always reminds us of the moon, and that's why we call the bike the Bobber Moon. Going forward, there is a Springer front end. So it's actually a universal Springer front end that we re-engineered so it works perfectly onto the Bobber. It's actually very, very fun to, when you ride, to see those springs move up and down, and the whole articulation of that fork. It's very, very fun to see while you ride. We also included in this kit the Caliper Mount, also machined aluminum. So everything you see on that bike can be purchased individually on the website, or you can commission us to build a full bike. Moving up, there is the Headlight that integrates a gauge into it for a very clean cockpit. Just behind that Headlight, you have our Baak #1 handlebar. It's our own design and our own bend. It's a fantastic handlebar. It gives you a lot of comfort, great riding position. On this handlebar, we've put our own custom buttons and controls that we wired inside of the handlebar for, once again, a very clean cockpit. We've also used some of our Baak branded clutch lever, front brake master cylinder, and one of the funny quirks about that bike is that we actually relocated the electronic throttle control behind the cylinder so we could use a more traditional cable pull for again a nicer, cleaner cockpit. What else? Then there is the turn signal, front turn signal relocated by the radiator, very stealth looking, black LEDs, very bright, very safe, fantastic. Then moving backward, there is the silencers, mufflers, exhaust for a nicer, deeper exhaust note. Going up, we removed the airbox for a cleaner look and almost that floating seat design that is missing from the factory bike, where you have the airbox cover, obviously. Removing the airbox, you get some nice cone-shaped air filter with a very distinctive intake noise that is very, very fun. Surprising the first time you ride, but very fun then. We've also put a adjustable shock that changed completely the way the bike handles, and the good thing is that you can adjust it to your weight or riding style. We reupholstered the factory seat with some Alcantara, black Alcantara. The airbox cover actually is also a matching black Alcantara. Then moving towards the rear wheel, you can see a very short fender, 3-in-1 LEDs unit under the seat, a side license plate, and the gorgeous rear wheel again, solid machine aluminum wheel. And also, I almost forgot the belt drive conversion kit for a very nice look. Black and white color scheme. So the whole theme of the bike is paying respect and homage to those very old barbers from the 1930s and 1940s, and we thought that the black and white theme would go perfectly on that bike. I picked up the white on the Porsche 356 catalog. It's an off-white, and Carlos, our painter, put a fair amount of gold metallic flake in it, so once you put it under the sun, it's crazy. It shines and pops. It's amazing. The black is a very simple gloss black, and we designed the line on the tank to follow the shape of the frame, and we also carried out a small stripe on the rear fender to continue the black and white theme of the bike.
This video was insightful, going over the Bobber Moon, and I really hope you guys check out Remy and the Baak over here in LA. And if you want to say anything, Remy, right now, just about anything over the bike.
Yeah. Of course, do not hesitate if you have any question. You can reach out to us on Instagram. We'll try to answer comments down on the comment section of the video.
Yeah.
And Instagram is a very easy way to communicate with us.
Yeah, I'll keep a link for the Baak website here in LA down in my description, and I'll keep Remy's email for if you have any questions, you can directly contact him down in my description below. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys see you again on the next video I post. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.